You pick them up in the car to take them to a podcast, and they're like, "Oh, whoops, we're in an abandoned city. Oh, here's your shotgun you talked about a year ago, Joe. Wow. Anyway, zombies are coming tonight. What? He's gonna leave and not shoot zombies? Come on."
Have you ever done Sandbox VR?
Is that the one where it's like you just go in and there's random worlds and you can walk around on them?
It's a warehouse. You go in there and they have fans and stuff, so it like simulates like the wind. And you go in there and you put on a headset and you put on a haptic feedback vest. And one of them is called Deadwood Mansion. That's my favorite one.
Okay.
And you go in there and you shoot zombies.